It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Hi, thanks for coming to visit us again on It's Vegan. Today we are going to make a dill dip. For this you will need 8 ounces of firm tofu, a cup of white beans, I'm using Great Northern, 1/4 of a cup of veganaise, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of dill, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and 1 tablespoon of chives. To start, we are going to open our tofu. I have extra firm here, but you could also just use firm. Since I'm only going to use half of this tofu packet, I am going to save this liquid because when you store tofu, you want to keep it covered with the liquid that it came in, but if you don't quite have enough, then you just add fresh water till it's covered. So, have this open. I am just going to cut it in half right in the package. I'm going to take the half that I'm going to use and I'm going to squeeze out a little more liquid. I like it when my dips are a little thicker. Alright, and then into the food processor. Well, most of it. To that tofu, we are going to add our beans, our veganaise, then I'm going to add the lemon juice, and I'm going to add the salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. Blend this all up and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I blended this up in the food processor until it was totally smooth and you can't see any bean pieces in it. And I want to stir these in by hand because I didn't want them to get chopped up anymore in the food processor. Also want to give a shout out to my friends at Largemere Fireworks in Cleveland, Ohio. Hi, Tina and Cassidy. So then after we get this all mixed in together, it will taste the best if you let it sit in your fridge for an hour or two to let all of the herbs blend together and all the flavors to come out of them. But if you're in a pinch, it will be fine if you eat it just like this. Very good. If it was at a party, I would have to double check and make sure this was vegan. Thanks guys, subscribe! The outtakes are coming up next. Just about fit in here. Ooh. Stop. 2 tablespoons of dill,